Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticated Me. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the things that I've received in PR these last few weeks. Now, if you're not into PR unboxings, I totally get it. You can go ahead and exit out and check out some of the many other videos that are on my channel. I do videos about beauty, fashion, DIY projects, home, travel, you name it, I cover it all. Now, if you are interested in seeing what's new in the market in the beauty industry, then let's get started. So I'm going to first open up something that isn't actually beauty. It is the first package that I received from a company called Sashka Co. And these are cute little colorful bracelets. So let me show you, they sent me a few. So they have their little Sashka Co postcards here with their handles. And then they sent me some little Sashka Co stickers. Always positive vibes and very cute. So they sent me 4 of their bracelets. Here is what they look like. I love this beautiful kind of like peacock teal color. And I can already feel that it's very well made, very sturdy, very pretty. Oh, they actually sent me 5, so I might have to include a few in my next giveaway. This is the next one, and it's got like copper and brown and silver toned beads, very pretty. This one is a fun bright one. It's got yellow beads. They're iridescent, so it's yellow, but then it gives off some pink as well. And then they have these darker kind of purple pink beads in between. Very nice. This one is a solid color and it's white, kind of like a silver toned white. Very, very nice. Perfect for the winter or bridal look. If this is the kind of jewelry that you like to wear, very, very pretty. And then last but not least, this might be my favorite because it's giving me Mardi Gras vibes. And it's this one right here. It's got these like yellow goldish beads. It's got purple and it's got green, which are Mardi Gras colors. So I really love this and will definitely be wearing this on Mardi Gras. And here is what they look like stacked on my wrist. These are super pretty. I really, really like this. I will link to the company down below so you guys can check them out and see what other kind of color variations they offer, because I'm sure this is just a few of their collection. But yeah, super pretty and really, again, really well-made, sturdy bracelets. The next box is from my friends at Derma. You guys know that this is one of my favorite skincare brands. So very happy to receive a package from them in the new year. Let's see what they have. I actually already own these, so these are definitely going in my next giveaway. This is their Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. It's actually sitting in my bathroom right now, and this is the Purifying 2-in-1 charcoal mask. Their charcoal masks are legendary, so whoever gets this, you're really gonna love them. Honestly, one of my favorite skincare brands. I actually just hosted a skincare giveaway featuring Derma products, so for my next one, definitely gonna include this. The next box is from my friends at Neutrogena, and I'm really excited to see what they've sent me. Okay, I'm getting a lot of hydration coming through here. This is Neutrogena's Hydra Boost Water Gel. It says it boosts hydration for smooth, supple skin all day. Dermatologist recommended. You guys have probably seen really hydrating water gels in the market out there. I know that there are a lot of brands who do expensive versions of this, so if that is not your price point and you want to look for something, or at least you want to, if it's a new product for you to try and you don't want to spend all that money on an expensive, more higher end brand, then this is a great place to go. Go to Neutrogena, pick this up and see if it works for your skin. It's winter, so I definitely preach hydration during the winter. Even if you feel like you have oily skin, hydration is very important. Keeps the wrinkles away, so definitely look into this. They've also included their Hydra Boost Multivitamin Booster. It says it intensely hydrates and energizes the look of skin. So there you go. And then they gave me a Hydra Boost Hydrating Overnight Gel Mask sample. Definitely going to be using this because it's winter and I have my little dry areas, so definitely going to be using this and trying this out. But I actually have already tried the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel. I already have one. I gave one to my mom too because she has dry skin. These are great, really affordable versions of what you see out in the market, so definitely try these if you're getting dry skin, if you have dry skin, or if it's just wintertime and you want to really pack on the moisture. This is a light way to do it. The water gels are really light on the skin. They don't clog up your pores, so a good way to put hydration into your skin without worrying about I've never had like a negative reaction. I've never had breakouts caused by this because it is kind of a very light, it's super intense hydration, like very good hydration, but not the end where you're clogging up your pores where it's too much. So definitely look into it. The last box is from my friends at Pixi. You guys know I love Pixi. I'm definitely going to be doing another Pixi giveaway. It might actually be my very next one, so just stay tuned. Again, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my new videos go out. You will get a notification right in your inbox so you know when there's one out. You'll be the first to know when there's a giveaway out. And also you can join my newsletter. All of that is linked in the description box below, as well as my social media platforms. I'm on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, I'm on it. So stay tuned for my next giveaway, and that way you'll be connected to me. Oh my goodness, Pixi never disappoints. They just send the best packages. Look at this, oh my gosh. So I'm seeing here a travel pack, very cute. It's got roses on it, and it's pink and green, and the tabs are rose gold toned hardware, love that. Okay. And it opens up like this. What am I seeing here? All right, love their skincare products. Really, really good skincare, affordable skincare. You can find Pixi at Target. So very easy, very accessible, and the products are super good. So right here, I am seeing their, ooh, it's new packaging. This guy has roses on it now. Okay, so this is the Rose Glow Mist with 7 flower oils. Rose Mist is fantastic. It's one of their best-selling products. Ooh, this is new. Oh my gosh, so excited to try this. This is their Rose Caviar Essence with rose and grapeseed oil. This one I'm gonna have to keep and try myself. This is their Rose Flash Balm, and it has rose and olive extract. This one is their Rose Oil Blend. This is also super good. I've definitely tried this. It's a really nice oil for when you need that extra punch of moisture and hydration. It's really, really good. And then here is one of their classics. This is their Makeup Fixing Mist, and it has rose water and green tea. Oh my gosh. So I just realized this this is a little flap that you turn this way, and then it's got a little hanger end so I can hang it up when I'm traveling, hanging on the door. It says, "Dear Jessica, bon voyage, safe travels. I wish you a rosy journey and hope my rose-infused favorites will take you on a hydrated journey to your dream skin. Thank you for all your Pixi love. XOXO Petra." Love that. Okay, and then on the other side, oh my gosh, I'm seeing new products. Okay, I'm really excited. This is their Rose Cream Cleanser with rose and chamomile flower. This one is new. I haven't tried this before. This is Rose Ceramide Cream with rose and ceramides. This is also new. Have not tried this. Very cool. And then this is their classic Rose Tonic. I actually have a few of these with backup, so definitely going to include this in a giveaway. And then this is a new, oh my gosh, how pretty is this packaging? This is their Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths with chamomile and rose. Love that. I definitely have a few trips planned this year. This is going to be a big travel trip, a big travel and trip year for us at the Domesticated Me household. We're thinking about going to Los Angeles, so definitely be a few trips to New Orleans, and then I'm trying to go on some road trips. If you have any recommendations for anywhere in the New York tri-state area that you like to go to, let me know, or anywhere in general. Let me know where you guys are going this year. I'm really excited to hear about your travel plans as well. I'm planning next year as well, trips for next year, those big family trips that you have to plan well ahead in advance. I'm working on that right now, so I'm curious to see where you guys are going, what you recommend. Let me know in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it, and again, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.